is that song at the club? Yeah, but I remember when I was getting some good. What's up, Win Squad? I'm glad to be back with you guys with my boy T-Lex.
Let's get it.
Yeah, we back again with
another video.
What is it?
Trying to get lit.
Yes. So what's the rule?
It's a bunch of songs and you can't dance, you can't sing, and you can't move your body at all.
Okay, alright. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, no dancing, no turning up, no getting lit. Alright. I can't have it, bro. That's some lit ass song, dog.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger, nobody. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a I ain't picking.
I like this video as well.
Maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, talk my game, we gon' turn this shit to combine. Ice on my neck, cost me 10 times through. $30,000 for a nigga to get.
We're not gonna sing or get in late, dog.
Nah, bro, I'm trying to win the challenge. I hate this.
Trust me, boy. Like, there's this song that's gonna come on. You're gonna dance to it. I'm pretty sure.
I hate your reality.
Watch. Yeah, ass nigga. He's good. Whoa.
The Uzi.
I don't think he's gonna use this break or gonna use this blah boom blah. I don't know, man. This nigga's gay, man.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the in New York, I'm Millie Rock. I didn't have my socks. Running from a up, and I shoot that up.
Yo, that's his song, y'all. How come you not really rocking, bro?
And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm Millie Rock a lot. Woke up to niggas talking like me, talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me, talk. Woke up to niggas talking like me, talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me, talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Young nigga, I got old.
I can't have it staggering on the ass. I got problems on my Uzi ass. Got my life in me. We go there. He's getting all in October.
I just bought new old jet. I'm in love with the.
Oh no.
You don't like that song?
I'm in love with the.
Not that Coco, bro. I'm in love with the real Coco.
I got it for the. Oh no. I'm in love with the Coco. I was mobbing through the beach, yeah, the city by the sea. Mama tried to keep me home, but I love the fucking street. I was cleaning up a key, trying to serve it to the street. Couple niggas had beef, so I had to cheat. Spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit.
Well, you trying so hard, bro, like not to like good.
Yeah.
Spin it, check it, get it right back. Oh, that's my song. Hey.
That's pretty lit in the club.
Ain't you me and some hot, like I
That's a hood.
You know why I didn't listen to that song? This nigga was dumb as fuck, bro.
We about it, bro.
Fuck that nigga, dog. Doing some stupid ass shit for no damn reason, dog. All of them look like crackheads, bro. Crackheads, bro. Legend my ass. I'm the fucking legend, dog. Wings. He's the legend. I used to love that song, bro. Yo.
Like a toupee, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days, ladies. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here.
That song used to be popping back in the day, boy. Huh?
Yeah, that's the only song I know.
That was a nice song. Still a nice song.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. No flex zone. No flex zone. Hey, no better. Hey, no better. No flex zone. No flex zone. Hey, no better.
But I didn't know they were brothers, bro.
They don't look like each other at all.
Yo, I didn't know that, like, until they put that in the breakfast.
You ain't got no life. Nah. Cups with the ice, and we do this every night. That girl is a real timepiece. Smart world, all the friends know me.
Remember,
What was that challenge?
Mannequin Challenge?
Yeah.
Watch it fall slowly. Right girl still.
I tried to do it.
That car driving make you feel some type of
Where is this nigga, bro?
I don't know, bro. Like, a lot of people just make one hit after that they disappear. When they come to the club, you know. I can't help it, man. I'm too hyped.
I need a little bit of this.
Is that Soulja Boy?
Yeah.
My lifestyle.
That song, bro. Every Friday I listen to that.
Shout out to Woodley, dog. I couldn't make it listen to that song.
Every 2 weeks when I get my paycheck.
Yo! This nigga used to be ugly, dog.
Look at
All white bricks.
Damn, bro.
White tan bricks.
These did change a lot.
50 more bricks. Falling like a with all these.
He looks like a whole different person, man.
For real, bro. Shout out to DJ Topri. Good DJ. That's our DJ. Boy, you got to dance?
That's the point of the
Bro, I want you to dance. I don't want to be the only one.
That's the first real wing song I ever heard.
Oh, damn, bro.
That was good.
You know you want to dance, bro.
I wasn't hating when that came.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is dirty shoes. At the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get caught.
If that shit chicken, why she texting me? Why she keep calling my phone, speaking
Where's
sexually?
she at, bro?
Every time I'm around, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie? I call her Effany. I don't open doors for her. I just want the
Boys, I'm playing. Yo, shout out to y'all. Y'all in the world, alright? Without y'all, I wouldn't be here today. You feel me? Right?
I miss that song at the club. Yeah, but I remember I was getting some good.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Standing in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown. And I get like this, I can't be around you. Let a nigga try me.
Where is she?
Well,
a lot of people, but I don't know what they yeah. That person who made that video is good, bro. That's all song that I remember.
Gucci down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa. Keep your girl here in my Tommy boxes. Run it down, she'll sit it out. Cause you know the burgers got it down. She don't get nothing from my nigga down.
Who's that? A$AP Ferg. That's it, all that song, dog. That's it, fucking. Don't forget to like this video, alright? Like this video, comment, alright? If you're enjoying the video, man, just subscribe for more. H-Town, hold it down.
It's low key at the night show. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side. Yo. I get those goosebumps every time. Yeah, when you're not around, throw that to the side. Yo. I see your girl post a bill, so I hit her in the deal. Oh, yeah, I see him. Yeah, this your man, I hate the deal.
This nigga, dog, he has some big ass fucking legs, dog.
Break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes. I was trying to beat a case, but I ain't beat that case.
He's in jail right now for killing people. Oh, he's not this dude. What's his name? Oh, KK. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, man. I couldn't help it, man. You feel me? I couldn't help it. So, obviously he won, but I was too hyped, man. Those songs got me feeling myself. You feel me? So that's the type of person I am, man. If I'm enjoying the music, man, I will dance. I don't care. I know it was a challenge I felt, but next time, congratulations. But if you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to like it, comment, subscribe. So thank you guys. I'm out.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me.